All companies have one thing in common. They want you to spend your money on their stuff, and they'll try just about anything to catch your attention. Funny characters, emotional storylines, catchy jingles, even celebrity spokespeople who are paid to talk. Why all this effort? Well, they know if you recognize their name, you're more likely to trust their product and spend your money with them. With all these companies clamoring for your cash, it's your job to judge who to spend with. Will that new smartphone really change your life as its maker claims? Will spending hundreds on a pair of trainers make you fashionable or foolish? Is the social media influencer who credits their flawless skin to a brand of moisturizer telling the truth, or just in it for the money? The only way to tell if a product is legit or not is by doing your research. Learn about companies and their reputations. Read unbiased product reviews online, not on the company's website. And ask friends and family about their experiences. Then, whether you opt to spend on the latest trend or allow that money to grow in your savings account, you can be sure that you've made an informed consumer decision.